How to use Threads Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about a brand new platform and application that has just been released by Meta and Mark Zuckerberg. It's called Threads. It's an absolutely amazing app. It's a lot like Twitter and it just works amazingly, and a lot of people, like, it was just stormed with users. Like, I think it's been only a few days and there's already, like, I think it's just been 3 to 4 days and it's been like 100 million users or something. So pretty great stuff. And it's basically a part of Instagram. You can access it through Instagram, so it's pretty great stuff. So to access Threads, obviously you can either do it from your mobile phone, like you have Instagram on your mobile phone, and do it through that, as you can see, Threads and Instagram app, or you can just come to the main Meta website to actually learn what the Threads stuff is. Now, Threads is not available currently on your main laptop or desktops, but as you can see, Threads is available on your phone. And again, to access Threads, all you're going to need to do is you're going to turn on your Insta, okay? And once you turn on your Instagram, you're going to find your Threads application by downloading it on either the App Store or Google Play Store. And once you download it, obviously just connect it. Like, you can log in with your Instagram. You don't necessarily have to create a new account. And once you log in with your Instagram, from there on out, yeah, just use away. And again, it's a lot like Twitter. So if you use Twitter, then you won't be confused using this. So yeah, it's a brand new app, and as you can see, new app built by the Instagram team for sharing text updates and joining public convos. Login using your Instagram. Posts can be up to 500 characters long, including links, photos, videos up to 5 minutes in length. And obviously, they're working soon to make Threads compatible with open, interoperable social networks that can shape the future of internet. So great stuff, and I recommend that you start doing it right now because yeah, it's just too easy to use, and it's really great stuff because it's like the new Twitter, but I'd say less toxic because it's just out there. So yeah, pretty great stuff. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you're gonna apply and use Threads for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.